Hey guys, welcome to my channel Analysis with Ashish. This is my new video and today I'm gonna solve this question, not boring movies. And I have already uploaded previous question solution in my previous video individually, so you can also check it then. So for today, let's start this video. So we have cinema table for this question and it contains ID, movie, description and rating. So this is question. According to this question, we have to write a solution to report the movies with an odd numbered ID and a description that is not boring. Return the result table order by rating in descending order. So guys, we have to retrieve the list of movies having ID in odd and their description is boring, and we have to retrieve them in descending order by rating. So here we have example table. This is ID, movie name, description and rating, and this is output. In output we have to retrieve all column. ID must be in odd. You can see all ID are in odd you can see, and we have to not like how many odd ID. Let's see first in input table how many odd IDs. Here is 1, 3 and 5. 3 IDs we have to show, but there for one more condition which is boring, so we have to also not showing that movie. So guys, let me write this query. Select the star from cinema table where ID percent to not equal to 0 and description not equal to boring. So this query is completed guys. So let's run this query first. Yeah, one more thing I didn't add, which is in question we have to return the result table order by rating in descending order. So we have to add one more clause which is order by rating. We have to sort in descending order. So descending order, yeah. Yes. So now it's done to submit this code. Here we go. You can see that this code is accepted successfully. So please like this button if you get any help from this video and subscribe my channel Analysis with Ashish. And if you have any doubt or question, so you can comment below. And thank you guys. Bye bye.